Hello guys, in this video we'll discuss about different data types in Python. So first coming to numerical type in Python. So under this numerical type there are integers, floating point numbers and complex numbers representation. Okay. And in Python we can convert, or it will also convert automatically from one data type to another. Okay. And we can perform arithmetic operations in Python like addition operation, subtraction operation, multiplication operation, division operation, and power operation. Okay. So let's see this example. 3 plus 2. Here we are applying addition operation. 3 plus 2 will be 5, right? Similarly, 3 minus 2 will be evaluated to 1. Next, 3 into 2, which is multiplication operation, the result is 6. And then 3 divided by 2, okay, so the result is 1.5. Okay. And there is another operator like 3 double slash 2. This is different from single slash because this will produce an integer value. So we can say this is floor division, because generally 3 divided by 2 result is 1.5, right? And we are applying floor on this 1.5, the result is 1. Okay. Then 3 double star 2. Okay. This is nothing but power or exponentiation operation, nothing but 3 square. So 3 square is evaluated as 9. Next, 12 mod 5. When you are dividing 12 with 5, the remainder will be how much? 2. Okay. And then absolute value of minus 88. So that will give you result as 88. Okay. And next, coming to complex number representation, this is 1 plus 2j. Okay. So we can see 1 and this is plus 2j. Clear? This is how we can represent a complex number, right? It contains two parts. With the help of complex of 1 comma 2, which means this will be written in the form of complex number representation, that is 1 plus 2j. Okay. Two point 0. Okay. And even we can perform addition operation between complex numbers. Let us suppose z is equal to 1 plus 2j and w is equal to 3 minus 1j. And if you look at this addition operation, 1 plus 3 will result in 4, and then 2 minus 1 will result in 1. Okay. So that is why you will get z plus w result as 4 plus 1j. This is complex addition. And next, coming to Boolean type. So Python allows Boolean type. Boolean means, always remember, it is either true or false. Okay. So this is how we can represent Boolean, right? So which means we are applying OR operation between true, false. True or false will result in true. And if you apply AND operation between only false or false will result in false. And when you are applying AND operation, only true and true will result in true. In all other different of a Boolean value, it is going to change it, right? Not of true will become false. Similarly, if I apply not false, the true corresponding value is 1. So 1 plus 41 result is equal to 42. And then false into string representation, you can use either single quotes or double quotes or even triple quotes to represent the strings. Okay. And if you consider a single character, it is considered as one element string. Okay. And also remember, this is very important. Python strings are immutable. Okay. It means you cannot change them. Gets printed ABC. Okay. Now let's perform concatenation operation. Inside the double quotes we are writing ABC, and inside double quotes we are writing DEF. Now performing concatenation operation, the result will be A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. Now multiplying a string. Inside double quotes we are writing ABC star 3. So this is nothing but repetition operation in strings. Just like in strings, if you are applying plus, it is representing concatenation, and if you are applying star, okay. Similarly, if we are using slash t, so first it will display ABC, then tab space, and then it will display DEF. Slicing will be like this: start, stop, step size. Okay. So we'll see with examples, then you will understand much better. Now coming to indexing and slicing. Okay. So if you observe any string, it starts from index called B, right? So that will be displayed. And next, ABCD of -1, negative index always represents the last character, right? So CD of 1:4. So let me denote here. This is representation of A, B, So the result will be BCD. BCD gets displayed. Okay. And then ABCD of 2 colon. So starting from 2, it will start displaying till the end. In this case, the result or output will be CDE. Okay. And similarly, if you don't specify the starting character, starting index, in that case, it will start from index number 0 and up to less than 2. Okay. So which means it is going to access a index 0 and index 1 content. So A, B will be displayed. Okay. And next, A, B, C, D, E. Is specified. So this is going to display alternate characters because it will iterate throughout the entire string and index will be incremented by 2. Okay. Index will be incremented by 2. If you observe here, the string will be located like this: A, B, C, D, E. Okay. And index is like this: 0, 1, this is 2, this is 3. After that, it will increment by 2. Okay, now it will reach here and it will display C, and then increment by 2, it will reach here and it will display E. Okay, like this. Next one is this is a string, and we are considering starting from the index number 1 up to less than index number 5 and incremented by 2. Okay. How we can actually reverse the entire string. Okay, because the step size is -1. Okay, it will decrement and it these are all lowercase letters, right? Now they get converted into uppercase. Similarly, you can also convert this string into lowercase by calling string name dot capitalize method. And next, this is a string name dot replace. Now we are up character C will now be replaced with Z. Okay. This is about replace method. And next, coming to split method. Then it will get splitted based on the space. Okay. And next, you can also count one particular character occurrences. Okay, or frequency of occurrence of one particular character in the entire string. This is my string, and inside this string I want to count how many occurrences of A is there. So this is the first occurrence, second occurrence, this is the third occurrence, this is the fourth occurrence, and this is the fifth occurrence.